I will show you how to set up your own YouTube channel and start creating in no time. All you need is a Google account. If you don't have one yet, I will show you how to set it up. And also, you need to download a YT Studio app if you don't have one too. It is very, very important. Before we get straight into the tutorial, I will like you to give this video a thumbs up and also to follow if you find it helpful. Do we find it helpful? Open your web browser, your Chrome or Safari, and type in google.com. And once it opens, click on the site and then you will see option to sign in or to create an account. Once you click on it, you will see this option to open for my personal use or for work or my business. So if you will be giving other people access to your channel, you can open for work to or my business. But if it's for your personal use, for only you, then you open for my personal use. So you click on that, whichever one that you want. So just follow the prompts and fill your name and every other necessary information. Mind you, it doesn't have to be the name you want to open your YouTube account with. So once you are done filling the necessary information, they will send you a list of suggested Gmails for you to pick from, or you create one and it will be confirmed whether it is taken or not. Once it is free, you already have a Gmail account. Now we are going straight to YouTube. Open your YouTube app and then you will see something like this. Once you see this here, you go down and click on your profile here, and then once it opens, you are going to see something like this. Click on the profile here. Once it opens, it's time for you to fill or edit the information on your channel. So you click here for your photo. It's either you take a photo or you choose from your photo gallery, whatever photo you want to use to represent your channel. Then you go ahead and edit the name you want your channel to be called and also your channel handle here. And once you are satisfied with whatever you want to put in there, you click save. Don't go too hard on yourself when picking a name for your channel. Don't worry, you can always go back in and edit it. There is opportunity for that. So basically that is all, and you are officially a YouTube channel owner. It's time for you to start creating. Let's take it a little bit further. Click here. You'll see option to add a banner to your page. So you go ahead and add a banner you've already created. If you want me to show you how to create one, please let me know in the comment section. This is where you also add photo if you haven't done that already previously. Just make sure that your photo is clear enough and then you add that. Then you go ahead and add description. Click here on the description. It's going to open a page where you will write about your channel, maybe a little bit about what your channel is going to offer, or what your channel is all about, or what you want the people to know about you or your channel. Once you're done with that, your channel is okay. But you can go ahead and open your YT app. I talked about this earlier. You go ahead and open it. You will see lots of other options you need to optimize your channel. And also, you have lots of options to monitor your page, your YouTube channel. So go ahead and download YT Studio. It is very, very important. You can reply messages, you can see messages, the analytics of your channel, and everything you need to know or do about your channel is on this YT Studio. And that's it, guys. You can go ahead and set up your own YouTube channel following those simple steps. Guys, just go ahead, create a channel, and let me know in the comments so that I will go and give you a follow. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and leave your notification bell on so that you'll be getting a notification anytime I upload a new tutorial. Thank you guys for staying, and also to my old subscribers, thank you so much for supporting this channel. Go ahead and check out this